Hey guys, today we're taking a deep dive into the BIGBIGWON Aether wireless controller. Let's open up the box and see how it works.
Paperwork. What the heck is this? Doesn't come with any charging cables, but you probably have some. This is the receiver. So when you plug it into your Switch or PC. And here is the controller itself. So let's go test this out and see how it works.
This is a sleek and versatile gamepad that is designed to give players precision, customization, and comfort across multiple platforms. So whether you're gaming on a PC, a Nintendo Switch, Android, or iOS, the Aether promises to deliver a premium experience. The controller comes in a clean off-white finish with silver wind patterns, giving it a modern yet understated look. But it's not just about the aesthetics. The Aether is built with Hall effect joysticks and triggers, which means you get no drift, longer durability, and smoother input accuracy. That's a huge win for gamers tired of stick drift ruining their sessions. One of the standout features is its tri-mode connectivity, meaning you can connect via Bluetooth or the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle or wired by USB-C, making it incredibly flexible to use. And switching between devices is seamless, so you can go from your PC to your Switch or even your phone without hassle. This versatility makes the Aether a true all-in-one controller for multi-platform gamers. It also boasts a 1000 Hz polling rate, ensuring ultra-low latency and lightning-fast response times. The triggers feature 0.3mm quick travel, giving you instant reaction in shooters or racing games. And on top of that, you get HD rumble feedback for immersive gameplay and a smart LCD display right on the controller. And the display lets you adjust settings on the fly, from button mapping, turbo functions, dead zones, and even hair trigger sensitivity, all without needing to dive into a complicated software menu. The controller includes 4 programmable mechanical buttons, with 2 back buttons and 2 shoulder buttons, so you can tailor the controls to your playstyle. Whether it's assigning shortcuts for competitive play or streamlining combos, you get all the flexibility in one. And thanks to its 600 mAh rechargeable battery, you get longer sessions without constant recharging. And ergonomically, the controller feels comfortable in the hands, with balanced weight and responsive buttons. It's versatile, durable, and gamer-friendly. So if you're looking for a controller that adapts to multiple platforms while giving you pro-level performance, then definitely take a look at the BIGBIGWON Aether controller today. And you can check it out in the link below. See you.